So I'd like to show you one of these chairs that I got from Tomshoo. They have like outdoor stuff. I have a couple other stuff I got from them too, but I really like this chair. It packs up really small, pretty light, assembles very fast, and I'll assemble it right there in front of you. See how fast it assembles. The legs, 4 of them that go in pretty easily. They all snap in. Spread it apart. And boom. Spokes just go into the holding ports there. And yeah, that's it. Comfy on the beach, easy to move around. And yeah, nice. I like it. Now, I need to find some firewood. Cut it up. I'm going to use another one of their products. I have a little oven that I got from them, and I'm going to see if we make some coffee and maybe use it to cook later too. The next thing we have is this Tomshoo oven, which I also love. It packs up very small, compact, and it's going to help us with making some coffee this morning, and we'll see if it's good enough to get the fish fried as well.
Stop chef, stop chef.
Ready for the coffee, boys? The coffee, whatever you like. And the last thing is the titanium cup. This is a 750 milliliter titanium mug. I'm just using it for coffee, but you could use this to boil water, make a soup. It's big enough to make like a personal size soup. But yeah, it's a nice cup. I'll just use it for coffee this morning.
Chris, do something. Do something. Grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it. Here he goes. Chris, here he goes. Chris. Chris in real shape. Take your time, take your time. Take your time. Easy, big boy. Chris, take your time. I thought it was an Olympia. I was fighting. Oh my God, don't mess. Chris. Tommy wasn't eating good. Eating good tonight. Eating too good. I'll take that one home. Yay!
So we have everything here. All the ingredients to make this thing perfect. And tomatoes, onions, jalapeno, everything there cut up. Avocado, which we got last night from a tree in the bush right there. We did not have that. Reese heating up the oil there. Some fish in the bucket. Yay! Snap our fish in the bucket. And we're gonna put some batter on that, which is inside there. Should be an idea, but unfortunately it looks like rain could come. And I ain't stopping we. We're still out there having a good time.
Oh!
Whoa, that could have stopped we. As soon as that oil gets hot, fry up. We have our best meal on our hands. Cheers, son.